The number of people infected with mumps is growing. The health department has confirmed it is investigating a cluster of cases at Hawaii Job Corps in East Oahu. We first learned of the problem from a parent who reached out to us using the Reported feature on our website. Job Corps is a free technical training program in Waimanalo run by the U.S. Department of Labor. Students are between the ages of 16 and 24. Bridget Namata has more on what you need to know about the growing mumps outbreak. Bridget?
Joe, the health department confirmed 3 more cases of mumps on East Oahu, but that number is likely to rise since it doesn't include the number of suspected cases currently being investigated. 3 more cases of mumps on Oahu, bringing the total to 30. But a parent of a student who dorms at Hawaii Job Corps Center says there could be as many as 11 cases on campus. Hawaii Job Corps Center in Waimanalo is at the center of an investigation into a cluster of cases.
She had said it started 2 weeks ago with 3 students, and that she actually had to physically change rooms to another room because I guess they were trying to isolate the student.
Rodriguez says her daughter, who currently is not infected, learned of more cases the next week.
And then yesterday afternoon, she was informed not to return to campus because there were 11 cases and maybe more, and they didn't want her to come back at this point. And this was texted to her to do not come back to campus, go back home, and just await further instruction.
A manager here at Hawaii Job Corps Center told us she couldn't release any specifics about a mumps outbreak on campus. But she did tell me 177 students are currently enrolled. There are 125 employees and 163 students live on campus. Mumps is highly infectious. It can be spread when an infected person coughs or sneezes. The health department says nearly half of people infected with mumps were vaccinated. Still, emergency room physician Josh Green believes it's the best way to protect yourself from the disease. Why is it that there are some who have been vaccinated and are still getting it?
Because the immunizations don't confer 100% immunity. It's just a question of population and population density in certain areas when there's an outbreak. That's why you see it at a school or at a camp or at maybe a big company where there's a lot of people when you get an outbreak. I think there's been a trend where some groups of people don't get immunized and then it can really spread.
The health department says the 3 cases at Job Corps were previously vaccinated. The state is working closely with Job Corps, and anyone who is exposed to infected people will be notified. Bridget Namata, KHON 2 News.